Ahoy, mateys! Welcome back to our pirate adventure story time. Today, we are going on a treasure hunt with the bravest pirate of all, Captain Coco. Are you ready to sail the seven seas and find some hidden treasure? If you're ready, shout aye aye, Captain, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Great! Grab your pirate hats, and let's get ready to sail. Setting sail on the pirate ship Captain Coco's pirate ship, the Starry Seas, is sailing across the ocean. The deck is bustling with playful pirate parrots and cheerful crew members, including Captain Coco, a young, friendly pirate with a bright red bandana and a wooden sword. Narrator, Lily. Once upon a time, there was a brave pirate named Captain Coco. Captain Coco sailed the seas in search of adventure and treasure, along with a loyal crew and the friendliest pirate parrot, Polly. Captain Coco, excitedly ahoy, crew! I've just found an old treasure map that leads to a hidden island full of treasure. Are you ready to find some gold, jewels, and maybe even some chocolate coins? Encourages kids to shout aye aye, Captain. Great! Let's unfurl the sails, raise the anchor, and follow this map to the treasure. Scene: Captain Coco and the crew start working together to set sail. They pull on ropes, raise the sails, and steer the ship, with the kids encouraged to mime along. Narrator, Lily. With the map in hand and the wind in their sails, Captain Coco and the crew set off on their exciting treasure hunt. The mysterious island. The pirate ship approaches a mysterious island with a large X marked on the map. The island is covered in dense jungle, with palm trees swaying and the sound of waves crashing on the shore. Polly the parrot, squawking land ho! Land ho! We've found the island, Captain. Captain Coco, cheerfully well done, Polly. This must be the place. But look, the island is so big and full of jungle. We'll need to be brave to find the treasure. Are you ready, crew? Alright. Let's go explore and find that treasure. Captain Coco and the crew, the kids, disembark onto the island. They start walking through the jungle, pushing aside large leaves and stepping over rocks, mimicking these actions along with Captain Coco. Narrator, Lily. Captain Coco led the crew deep into the jungle, following the map carefully. They stepped over rocks, ducked under branches, and even tiptoed past a sleeping crocodile. The puzzling treasure map. The group comes to a clearing where the map shows a riddle and several paths leading in different directions. Captain Coco looks at the map carefully. Captain Coco, the map says, to find the gold, jewels, and more, solve the riddle by the shore. But look, there are 3 paths. Which one should we take? Lily, holding the map and pointing to each path. One path has footprints, the second path has arrows, and the third path has stars. What do you think, friends? Should we follow the footprints, the arrows, or the stars? Great choice. Let's follow the path with the stars. Scene: Captain Coco and the crew follow the path with the stars, which leads them through a series of caves where they encounter glowing gems and friendly bats. Narrator, Lily. Captain Coco and the crew chose the path with the stars, leading them through sparkling caves full of glowing gems and friendly bats who waved hello. Captain Coco, look at all these gems. But remember, we are looking for the big treasure. Let's keep going, crew. The treasure and the guardian. The crew reaches the end of the cave, where they find a big, old treasure chest guarded by a friendly sea turtle named Tilly. The chest glows with golden light. Tilly the turtle, speaking slowly and kindly. Hello there, Captain Coco and brave crew. I've been guarding this treasure chest for many years. To open it, You must answer a riddle. What is something you can keep after giving it to someone? Captain Coco, thinking aloud, something you can keep after giving it away. What do you think, friends? What could it be? I've got it. It's a smile. You can give someone a smile and keep it, too. Tilly the turtle, that's right. Well done, Captain Coco and crew. You may open the treasure chest. Captain Coco slowly opens the treasure chest, revealing gold coins, sparkling jewels, and lots of chocolate coins. The crew cheers and jumps up and down with excitement. Captain Coco, cheering, we did it. We found the treasure. And look, there are chocolate coins for everyone. Let's share them with all our new friends here on the island. Celebrating on the ship, the crew returns to the ship with the treasure. There's a big celebration on the deck, with music, dancing, and laughter. The pirate parrots are dancing, and even Tilly the turtle joins the party. Narrator, Lily. With the treasure found and shared, Captain Coco and the crew celebrated with a big pirate party. They danced, sang songs, and enjoyed the chocolate coins under the stars. Captain Coco, thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure, friends. Remember, the real treasure is the fun we had and the friends we made along the way. Until our next adventure, keep exploring and stay brave. The screen fades back to the ocean, with the pirate ship sailing off into the sunset. The music softens, and stars begin to twinkle in the sky. Lily, I hope you had as much fun as I did on our pirate treasure hunt. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss another adventure. See you next time, mateys. Bye bye. Captain Coco, bye bye, everyone. Fair winds and following seas.